In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Royal Bank of Scotland digital banking account. This process is quite straightforward, but I've got some tips to help ensure you get logged in smoothly and securely. First things first, we need to navigate to the correct login page. You can accomplish this by typing in the web address www.digitalbanking.rbs.co.uk directly into your browser's address bar. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can go to the main Royal Bank of Scotland website at www.rbs.co.uk. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page and you will find a login link. Click on that and it will take you straight to the digital banking login page. Once you've reached the login page, the next step is to enter your customer number. This is important as it serves to uniquely identify your personal account. However, if you don't have your customer number handy, you can also use your card number. Carefully type in this information, ensuring there are no mistakes or typos, and then click on the Continue button to move on to the next step. Now let's discuss your PIN and password. As part of the security process, you won't be asked to enter these in full. Instead, for added security, you'll be prompted to provide specific characters from both your PIN and your password. For instance, you may be asked to enter only the second and fourth characters. Make sure you enter these characters exactly as they appear. Once you've filled in the requested characters, click Next to proceed. At this point, you may encounter an additional step for verifying your identity, which is quite crucial for maintaining the security of your account. If required, you might receive a one-time passcode, also known as an OTP, sent directly to your phone. Alternatively, you might be asked to use a card reader. Both of these methods are designed to ensure that it's really you accessing your account. If prompted, simply enter the code into the provided field to confirm your login. And that's it! You've successfully logged into your Royal Bank of Scotland digital banking account. Remember that these additional steps, while they may seem cumbersome, are in place for your protection, safeguarding your financial information. If at any point you encounter issues or errors, don't hesitate to reach out to the bank's customer support for assistance. They can provide you with the help you need to resolve anything that might come up. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your login details secure at all times.